hexadecimal representation n integers of equal to 16 of these values. Okay, now to change the decimal into hexadecimal, we have to divide this by 16 until we get 0. And another thing is, yeah, you have to notice one thing that is given, like we have to give the answer in 16 bits. So one more thing you have to know, that when we represent hexadecimal, each number represents 4 bits. So we need to have 4 digits each of these numbers what you are deriving. So let's go ahead and do this one and see what we are getting. First, what we have 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and to convert this one into hexadecimal, one thing we can do is we can convert this one into binary and then convert back into hexadecimal, or we can directly convert this one into hexadecimal by dividing it. Now let's look at the direct method in this video. So 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and I have to divide this one by 16, and then I have to find out what's the value and the remainder. To find out the remainder, we can use this long division method, because if you do other division, like if you divide by calculator, you're going to get decimal fraction value, so it's going to be hard. But if you do long division, you can see what's the remainder. So here 24,578 divided by 16, and in 24 we have 116, and the rest of them is 8 remaining. And if I bring this 5 here, 16 times 5 80, so 80 goes right here, we have 5 left. And if I bring this 7 down here, 16 times 3 is 48, so 48 is gone from here, and then 9 left. And if I bring the 8 down, that is 16 times 6 is 96, so 96, and then we have 2 left. So the final remainder we have is 2. So the value we are going to have right here is 1536. That's the value on top right here, and then the remainder, that is 2 in this case. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to divide this 1536 by 16. Again, we have to use the division method, so I'm going to erase this. So yeah, 1536. In 15 we don't have any 16, so put a 0. And then 153, we have 9 of them. 16 times 9, 144. So we have 9 left, and in 96 we have 6 of them. Okay, so 96, and that's 0. So we don't have remainder is 0. So this is 96, and then remainder is 0. Then if I bring 96 and divide by 16, that is straightforward, that is 6, and there's no remainder. And then 6 divided by 16, that is 0, and the remainder of 6. Okay, now we read this one from bottom to top. So the hexadecimal representation of this first number, 24,578, is 6002, and this one is base 16. This is the answer for the first one. Now let's look at the B part. Okay, in the B part we have 27,176. 27,176. Okay, that's the one we have. Now again, to convert this one into hexadecimal, we have to keep dividing this one by 16 until you get 0. So 27,176 divided by 16. We can use a long division method. 27,176 divided by 16. In 27 we have 116, and 16 plus 11 gives us 27, so 11 remaining. And in 11 we don't have any 16, so we bring one more down here, and in 111 we have 616, like 16 times 6 is 96, 16 times 7 is 112, so we have one less, so this is only 6 here, and that one is 96, and 111 minus 96, let's see, 1 minus, like 11 minus 6 is 5, and then this is 0 right now, then 10 minus 9 is 1, we have 15 left, and then I bring this 7 right here, so this is clearly 9. 16 times 9 is 144, then we have 13 left, and I bring this 6 down right here. In 136, how many? Again we have another 9, no, 8 actually, because 112, so we have how many left? 4, 24 remaining. Okay, let me double check. Okay, 60, this is 16 times 7, 16 times 8 is this one plus 16, that is 128. Okay, we can have 128. Okay, so if it's 128, we have 8 remaining, and yeah, that's it. We don't have, we cannot go further because we don't have any other number to bring down, so we stop right here and then write it here, 1698, and the remainder is 8, and then 1698 divided by 16. For that one, I'm gonna erase this. One 1698 divided by 16. In 16 we have 1 here, and this is 0 0. Then in 9 we just bring one digit at a time. Okay, so if I bring one digit down, there's no 16 in it, so I put a 0 for it. And if I bring another digit down, that is 98. In this one we have 6, so that is 96 right here, and then 2 remaining, that is it. So 106, 106 remainder of 2. And then if we divide 106 by 16, then if I divide 106 by 16, this is kind of straightforward, like 16 times 6 is 96, and there's 10 remaining, so remainder is 10. And if I divide 6 by 16, that is 0, and the remainder is 16, I mean 6. So we read from bottom to top, and in hexadecimal we already know that anything above 9, like 10 represents, 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, and 14 is E, 15 is F. So you have to know that. So this is going to be 6A. If I read from top to bottom to top, 10 represents A in hexadecimal, so 6A 28 is 16, and that is the hexadecimal conversion of this decimal number. Okay, that's B part. Now let's look at the C part. In the C part we have 23,375. I want to write it in a new page. Okay, so 23,375. 23,375. Again, we have to keep on dividing this one by 16 until we get 0. So 23,375 divided by 16. Again, use the long division method. 23,375. 16 in 23 we have 116, and then 7 left. And if I bring 3 down, in 73 we have 4 of them, that is 64. And if I 64 left, then 9. So 97 we have 6 of them, 96 and 1 left. In 15 we don't have anything, so I put a 0 right here, and that is it. So 1460 remainder of 15, and then 1460 divided by 16, 1460 divided by 16. In 14 we don't have anything, and if I take 146, we have 9 of them. 144, 16 times 9, 144. Then 2 left. In 20 we have 1, 16, and then 4 left. So the answer here is 91. Remainder is 4. And in 91, how many 16 we have? This one is kind of straightforward. We have 5, that is 80. And we have 11 left. And then 5 divided by 16. That is 0, and the remainder is 5. Once we get 0 here, we stop there and read from bottom to top. So we are going to have 5, and 11 in hexadecimal is B, and then 4, and then 15 in hexadecimal is F. So 5B, 4F, base 16. And that's our final answer. That's how we can convert decimal number into hexadecimal, and also make sure you get 4 digits. Okay, because each digit in hexadecimal represents 4 bits. So the answer required to be 16 bits. Since we are getting 4 for all of them, we are fine. Okay, we don't have to do anything extra. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.